So today I'm going to show you how you can overlay a pattern over your text. And I have two windows already open. I have my pattern here, and then I created a blank document. And you can use whatever size you want. So if you're using it for print, make sure that it's at 300 dpi. If you're using it for the web, make sure it's at 72 dpi. So we're going to go to our blank template here, and we're just going to add some text. So I selected the text box tool, and I'm just going to do something really simple. Now patterns work a lot better when the font's a little chunkier, so let's change up this font to something bold. That looks good, and let's make it bigger so we can see the pattern. Let's make that 200. Perfect. That looks great. Okay, so once you have your text, you're going to drag your pattern over to where your text is, and it's going to pop right in. And then we're going to come into the layers panel, and if you don't have the layers panel open like how I do over here, you can find it under Window, Layers, and for me it closes it because I already had it open, so I'm going to go back and open it and select our document with the text on it, and then you're going to come to the layers panel, and right in between this line between the two layers you're going to hit Control on a Mac, Option on a Mac, and you're going to get this symbol where it has a box and an arrow pointing down. That means that it's going to clip that top layer with the bottom layer, and just click on it. So make sure you have the Option button, hold down, and then click. And your pattern is now inside the text. And if you want to move your pattern around, you can just go back to the basic move tool and play around with it and see where it makes sense for your text and your pattern. And that's pretty much it. That is how you easily add pattern to your text. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Patricia Vargas of patriciavargas.com, and if you like this video, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button below.